Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to start with the essentials and the first action. Verify step-bythy and step-bythy.net are installed in the GTA vroot. Once done, confirm Natural Vision evolved files are in the same folder, then open Nve. You're not guessing the key, read the menu key entry. If it's set, memorize it or change it. If absent, add a readable key. Now launch GTA V and prepare to press that exact key in-game. Once the game is running, wait for script-hook to finish loading scripts. You'll often see console messages. Make sure you are in free roam, press the menu key you confirmed in Nve. If nothing appears, try holding the key for a second or press pause, then the menu key to avoid input focus issues. If you change the key, return to desktop and edit Nve. Again, then relaunch the game to ensure the binding takes effect. To finish, use arrow keys or your controller to move through Nve submenus and press enter to toggle or adjust values. Changes often apply immediately but save when available. Once done, exit the menu and observe visual changes. If the menu never appears, relaunch the game and inspect script-hook and Nve log files, ensure no conflicting trainers or overlays are bound to the same key, and confirm your Nve. Menu key matches what you press. That single mismatch is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.